Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're breaking down the Instagram mobile app. If you're new to the platform and feeling a little lost, in today's video, let me show you the exact things that you need to look into in order to use the app of Instagram. First things first, once you're inside of the app of Instagram, you'll straight away land on the home page, which is this home icon on the bottom left. This is where you discover new content and accounts based on what you already liked. So you can scroll through this section. Even if you have not followed any people, you will start to see content in this section based upon little interactions that you already did. Now the second section is the explore section, which is this search icon or this magnifying glass icon. This is the section where you discover new content and accounts based on what you already like as well. So you can scroll through this section and then just head over to these contents and see the types of content that you actually like. In order to post something on Instagram, you can head over to this plus icon, and then there are three types of posts: either a normal post, which would be visible on just your profile. You can also post a story or select a reel and then post a short video as well. And then you can search up people in this section. You can tap on this search bar on the top and then search for usernames that you're trying to chat with. If you are new to Instagram and if you want to complete your profile, you can head over to the bottom right, which is the profile section. And then from this section, you can edit your profile, such as adding in a profile picture, changing your username, and then editing your bio as well. So these are the few things that you need to know in order to start using the Instagram mobile app. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.